A mobile hotspot shares your device's cellular data as a Wi-Fi network. To connect, first enable the hotspot feature on your smartphone. For iPhone, go to Settings, then Personal Hotspot. For Android, navigate to Settings, Connections, then Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. The hotspot will display a network name and password. Note the network name, or SSID, in the password, which acts as a B3 key, typically 8 to 12 characters long and alphanumeric. On your connecting device, go to Wi-Fi Settings, select the hotspot's SSID, enter the password, and connect. Regarding frequency bands, 2.4 GHz offers a wider range up to 150 feet but slower speeds up to 600 megabits, while 5 GHz provides faster speeds up to 1.7 GHz on Wi-Fi 6 but has a shorter range of 50 to 100 feet. Most modern hotspots auto-select bands based on conditions, but you can manually switch in the Settings app. For security, the password uses WPA3 encryption for stronger protection.